Hi guys, it's Maya and welcome to this week's video. I am so excited for this week's video because I've been planning it for quite a while now. As you may or may not know, I filmed a DIYing my clothes video a while back and I bleach tie-dyed this hoodie, made some cow print Converse, and painted some flowers on my jean shorts. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure to click right here and watch that video. That video did so well. It's almost at 2K views right now. Thank you guys so much for supporting that video. It really means a lot to me. Since that video did so well, I thought I would do a part 2 of that video. In today's video, I'm going to be tie-dyeing some clothes. So let me show you the things I will be tie-dyeing. First off, we have this plain white t-shirt that I will be tie-dyeing. We have this plain white crew neck that I will also be tie-dyeing, and I've been wearing this so much lately. You probably see me wear this a million times in my videos. It's just so comfy and it fits just right, so hopefully I do not ruin it by tie-dyeing it. Last but not least, we have these plain white sweatpants. This fabric is kind of thin, so hopefully I can make it work. Fingers crossed for that one. Those are the 3 things I will be tie-dyeing. I will put some pictures on the screen of my inspiration of what I want to do with those pieces of clothing and what colors I will be using. And in this video, you guys are going to be seeing me try to recreate the photos on my actual clothing with tie-dye. This is my tie-dye kit that I ordered off of Amazon. It took forever to come, so that's another reason why I've been planning this video for so long and not been able to film it. Since tie-dyed clothes can be so expensive right now, since it's trendy, buying plain white clothes and tie-dyeing them is a great alternative, and that's what I'm going to do today, and hopefully it works, or else what I just said will be a flop. But let's get on to tie-dyeing some clothes. Alright guys, so the first step to tie-dyeing the clothes is to get all my clothes damp. So I don't know why I have to do that, but it said it in the instructions, so I'm just gonna listen to that. Alright guys, so my clothing items are all damp, so now the second step is to put rubber bands on them and get ready for them to be tie-dyed. It comes with pink, orange, yellow, green, and blue, and it comes with rubber bands and gloves. All right, let's start rubber banding. Okay, I'm done with my first shirt. Alright guys, it is tie-dyeing time. I switched my sweatshirt for a shirt because it's way too hot out there. Right now, I'm going to fill my tie-dye bottles with water. So I have all my clothes ready to be tie-dyed. So yeah, let's get tie-dyeing. First thing I will be tie-dyeing is my t-shirt, and I will put a TikTok of what the directions are to tie-dye this shirt because this video is TikTok DIY tie-dyeing inspired. So my idea for this is to put 5 different colors, all of these colors in a rainbow all around the shirt. So when I open it, it's like a spiral. I want to do this sweatshirt all pink. Here's the inspo from TikTok. I'm scared because I don't want other colors to get on the pink hoodie. So hopefully I can just keep this pink and not any other colors, if you guys get what I mean. Should I add more water? I'm gonna try to add a little more water. I filled the bottle up a little more, actually a lot more, and I think it worked. Hopefully it's the same shade of pink, which, oh, it is the same shade of pink. So far, so good, but this isn't the pink that I was imagining it to be. Imagining the pink to be more of a pastel pink, but I mean, this is cool too. Hopefully it like get lighter once I put it in the washing machine. Last but certainly not least are my sweatpants right here, and I was thinking of tie-dyeing these sweatpants blue, and here is the inspiration from TikTok. This is the one I'm most scared for because sweatpants I ordered off of Amazon and they are a little bit thin, so I don't know if the tie-dye will soak into the pants, but you know, we're just gonna try it out and see what happens. Bro, I'm scared. I'm gonna go refill up my bottle like last time so I can put more dye on these sweatpants. They are. So it is the next morning and I've let these tie-dyed things sit overnight and they should be all good to be rinsed in cold water and then washed in the washing machine. Okay, time to rinse out these blue sweatpants, and I'm really hoping that this material was thick enough to absorb all of the dye. Hi guys, so all my tie-dye pieces are ready and done and dried, so I'm going to try each of them on for you guys and tell you guys what I think of them. Personally, I thought all of them came out really good. Okay, so here's the shirt, and I think it came out like really cute, and I can definitely see myself wearing this either to run in or as like a cute pajama shirt. Right next is the crew neck, and I absolutely love it so much. I think it came out great, and it's definitely better than my white crew neck. 100 degrees and I'm wearing a full-on sweatsuit. Last but not least are my blue sweatpants, and I love them so much. I think they went great with my pink crew neck as well, and they're so comfy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell.